girls, welcome back. So one thing that you need to keep in mind is the method you take to do this depends a lot on what kind of hair you have. So what I'm gonna do just to make this more understandable is I'm gonna divide your hair in two. So the girls who have curly hair are gonna be on this side. I'm gonna have a list of the things you need to do on this side, and the girls who have mildly wavy to straight hair are gonna be on this side. So step number one, and super important, is gonna be prep your hair with the right products. So if you have curly hair, you want to make sure that you are using a shampoo, a conditioner, and a leave-in cream that are all geared towards helping you have straight hair. So this is a shampoo, and these are products that you're gonna use only the day that you're going to actually do this whole straightening your hair with a flat iron, because really using these shampoos on like a regular basis, they're not gonna make your hair be straight. They're just meant to help you when you're using heat to make your hair straight. And most of the time these leave-in creams actually already have some heat protection. If they don't, you can use some heat protectant on the side. Now the brand that I recommend for you girls is called Take Italy. This is actually the brand that I was using at the salon in Mexico. It works great and it just leaves great salon results. I will have the link down below. Okay, so that's for the curly haired girls. Now for the girls who have mildly wavy to straight hair, kind of like me, all you need to do is have a leave-in cream that's gonna be geared towards straight hair. This is the minimum I would ask of you to do. If you don't have it, it will still be okay if you only use heat protectant, because of the fact that your hair is not as curly, it will be okay, but using these two things will definitely give you the best results. Okay, so step number two is going to be blow dry your hair till it's completely dry. So if you're on this side and you have curly hair, what I recommend you to do is to blow dry your hair straight. This is a must. You can't skip this step because it's just gonna be one of the key things that's gonna make you have your hair super straight, and it's gonna make it so easy for you when you actually use a flat iron. I'm just gonna show it really quickly so that you can see. If you have from mildly wavy to straight hair, you can just blow dry your hair as you wish. Good, so now that your hair is completely dry, it's time to go ahead and start straightening your hair. So here is my flat iron. I have had this iron for like 4 or 5 years. It's the Infiniti Pro by Conair. If I find it, if they're still selling it, I will leave the link down below. It has been really good for me. It was inexpensive and it just does a great job. So if you can get hands on this, it's gonna be great. So what I'm gonna do is go ahead and turn it on. And I like to set mine to 365 degrees. While I wait for this to heat up, which is not gonna take long, I'm gonna go ahead and part my hair. So I have set places where I always part my hair, and the first one is I start by parting it right here underneath my ears. And I just try to make sort of a straight line to the back, and then the rest of the hair, girls, you want to pull it to the top and just, you know, keep it out of the way so that it's not on your way when you're straightening your hair. And I like to use one of these hair ties and just tie this on the top. Super cute. You also want to make sure that the hair you have down, the hair that you're going to be working with, is definitely untangled. So mine doesn't get tangled that much, but anyway, if you need to brush your hair in here, go for it. Okay, so you're gonna start by grabbing small pieces. You're gonna grab this just like this. You know, they need to be small, but not super tiny, like not this kind of small, because then you'll never finish. But yeah, just a considerable amount, enough that your flat iron can hold it well. So you want to grab it, and then being really careful, don't burn yourself, just go down. And you know, you don't want to press for too long, because if you do this, you might leave some lines on your hair and you don't want that. But you also don't want to do it too fast where you don't get any straightening done. So this part, I would say, is one of the ones that you need to be more careful, because it's so close to your neck. You can actually burn yourself really easy. So yeah, just be careful. You know, do it again. Just go down. and you're gonna do this for all the hair that's in the bottom. Okay, after that, I'm gonna go ahead and let my hair loose. And the next place that I like to part my hair is above my ears. I just find that, you know, having these 4 spots that I always part my hair, it just makes it so easy, and you know, they're just 4 spots that you need to remember, and that's it. Okay, so last time I showed you how to get your ends like completely straight, but if you want to make them be, let's say, to the inside, you know, all you have to do is grab a piece of hair, you know, start going straight, and then when you're reaching the end, then just curve your flat iron a little bit, and that's pretty much it. You know, just do this and start curving it to the inside, and you will start getting that, you know, those ends to the inside. And yeah, you just want to keep doing this for the rest of your hair. Okay girls, the next place that I like to part my hair is right here. And we're gonna do just exactly the same. Good, so now that you reach the top part, what you want to do is let that hair loose, and then you can use one of these combs, and what you can do is just from like the middle of your eyebrow, start parting your hair to the back. Put this hair away. For this part, you can actually use a hair clip. It's gonna work better than the hairband. Clip this away, and you're gonna do exactly the same. So this time I am choosing to straighten my hair completely down. I'm not gonna do my ends inside or out, so just to let you know that. And also, girls, you really want to focus on the ends, because I feel that's what gives you like a really great look, because this part can be super straight, but if the ends are like one's going out and one's going in and they look all very uneven, then it's not going to look as good and polished. So just focus on the ends. So now you can do the back part, and we're gonna do pretty much the same. But another thing is that if you want volume, all you would have to do is to use your flat iron and do it to the back, and this will start giving you that volume wherever you want it. So just a little extra tip. Once you're all done, what you want to do is apply some shine oil to your hair. I do have a video that shows you step by step how to do it. It's really easy. And here are some final recommendations, girls. Especially if you have curly hair. I know you went through a lot to actually get this beautiful result. So I would completely recommend that you don't wash your hair in a couple of days. Make sure to use some dry shampoo or dry conditioner. That way you can keep your hair looking beautiful longer. And this is the final result. Alright girls, I really hope you loved this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. And remember, if you have a case for the classy files, tell me about it in the comments. Bye! Click on the right to watch another one of my videos, or click on the CF logo to subscribe. Also, you can scroll down and click the bell right next to the subscribe button to be notified every single time I post a new video. Thank you for getting back to classy with me. Bye!